So that was the most drift events that I've done in a month outside of the drift weeks. So 3 drift weeks, but that was 3 events in a month. Driver's Appreciation Day, then going to the Import Face-Off event, then driving all the way to Alabama for Mid-Pond. So it was a stressful month. Nonetheless, a lot of fun, a lot of driving, a lot of not driving, a lot of fixing, more adjusting. But it begins again because I'm going to go over, you could see how crooked the rear end is just sitting there. But the real problem is that none of my pins, except for that one, which broke, line up anymore. So that one's right there, and the hole's right there. Same with that one. And that one's underneath there. So it moved over about that much. So the whole rear end is that far over. Take that off. At least the trunk's in good shape. My bumper got destroyed on that side last time, and now it's destroyed on this side. The real bad one is the LFC got smoked this time, and there's about that much gap between that, so that's bent over and in. And then the real kicker, and I'm glad this worked, was my outside cage frame that kind of protects everything inside here is quite a ways over. So probably going to pull that back, maybe brace it a little bit over there. That should fix all of that stuff, but then that's all smushed in. And I don't know if this part is necessarily affected, but I'm not sure what's going to bring this one down. Maybe the whole thing's bent up. I think it is. I think that bar is also going like this, which is what's tilting the rear end. So we'll need to get that down, back over, take the bumper off again, get it fixed again, and try to have a nice car again. And I really wish people would stop running into me and leave me room to just do tandems with people, because that's all I want to do. And I didn't really plan on getting into random tandems, but the guy pulled out of the line and purposely got behind me because he was the guy that took himself out of the competition by spinning out. I don't think he was too happy about that. So gentlemen's tandems, people. If it's not a competition, there's no reason to be doing that. I booped a 350Z, made sure he had no damage, went over there and apologized to him as well right on the first day. So we made sure everything was kosher there, and he didn't have any damage, and I got a little bit on the front, which, just a little guy right there. So yeah, that's the extent of the damage. Well, I guess it is up on this side. Like the whole car is up over here. Huh. Gonna have to figure that out. There's some things to be done with old crooked over here to get it back to being kosher. Oh boy. That being said, anybody that's using the LFC panels, I am all ears as to what you guys are doing. Like, do you cut these off and then just have these like be able to like slide into each other, like just as flat planes, and like zip tie them together? Do you cut some of the more of the bottom out so that you don't run into that, so that they can actually flex more? I'm definitely all ears to get some solutions, because if people are going to keep running into me, I'm going to keep to have doing this, and I don't want to keep doing this. So yeah, any solutions, comments, concerns, questions, suggestions, please let me have them. I'm all ears. So now just like loading for an event, cleaning up after a big travel event is the same, except for now you got to add in fixing the car as well. So that's all I'm going to do for the video today. I've been doing constant content for 22 days in a row, other than weekends. So that's taken its toll on me. But I'm still going to make an upload today, and there'll be a scotch and a beer tomorrow. But I got to get my workspaces cleaned out. All my stuff is over at the other shop. We just put it on pallets, unloaded it, loaded everything last night so it would be quick. Mikey took off for Denver. Scotty took off for his house and work. But yeah, it's always sad when you come back because you immediately want to hit the road again, but not when you have a lot of stuff to do. So me and little dude are going to hang out. He's just living his best scooter life right now. And it's raining in Albuquerque, so that's cool. And yeah, scotch and a beer tomorrow. Peace.